Hey, what's up, you guys? It is your girl, Beautiful Bree, here back with another video. And I know it's been a while since I've been recording, but I'm back doing my hair, as you can see. And I miss you guys so much. So I'm about to do my hair, so just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video up, and comment down below. And yeah, just subscribe, just hit the screen just like that, guys. Just a little tap, just like that. Okay, alright guys, so I know you're ready to get into the video, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So as you guys can see, I am freshly washed. My hair is freshly washed and everything, and growing, you guys. Like, OMG, look at that growth. Ever since I cut it, like 3-4 months ago, it has just been kind of growing in all thick and luscious, but I am totally enjoying the look, as you can see, you guys. But anyway, so yes, I just washed my hair, as you can see, with the As I Am coconut cold wash, just because I just recently really washed my hair really good, so I just used that to kind of just freshen up my hair. But now I am going to just squirt my hair with some water really quick, just because it kind of dried up on me a little bit, just so my curls can come in some more as I am working with my hair. Don't want to work with dry hair, definitely not with a TWA, so I want my curls to be popping and moisturized as possible. Now that I have gotten my hair pretty wet to my liking, as you guys can see, now it is time for me to put in my favorite leave-in conditioner that I recently found thanks to my mom. It is the Carol Daughters brand Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner. It is very hydrating, you guys, very moisturizing. It controls the shine, and y'all, it smells so good, and it leaves your hair so soft. I love it, okay? Alright, you guys, as you can see, I worked that into my hair pretty well, and that made my curls come out even more. They are popping, they are springy, and I am enjoying these short little curls. They're so fun to work with, but I get water everywhere, you guys. But now I'm just gonna take a comb and just kind of comb my hair out just a little bit, because I am going to slick this down anyway, so I just kind of want to get any knots and tangles that I can out at this stage before I slick it all down. Alrighty, now that that's all combed, I am going to just part my hair, give my hair just a little bit of a part, just so when it is all laid down and everything, that it kind of looks cute, kind of has a style to it. It's just not slicked down to my head. So yeah, I'm gonna move my hair over to the side, as you can see, and just kind of mark my little part as well as I can before I put the gel on. And as you can see, you know, springs right back up. But now it is time for me to slick it on down, and I am using this Cantu Shea Butter Maximum Hold Gel, you guys. It smells so good. No alcohol, no crunch, no flakes. It has olive oil in it, and I love it, especially when I am trying to hold down my edges really good, or any hairstyle that I just want to hold in place really well. So now, you guys, from here on out, I am pretty much just slicking my hair back, so enjoying watching me do that. So yes, as I am going through with my gel and just sectioning my hair, putting the gel on that section, and then combing it down as I go, and just going up from there. So enjoy. Alright, you guys, I am pretty much done, and OMG. Oh, wait. I forgot I had to take out a little curl on the other side since I had it on one side. You know, of course, I had to have it matching, duh. But OMG, you guys, I think it looks adorable. I think I look like some old Hollywood type something. I don't even know, some old Hollywood type star. But now I'm just kind of, you know, just touching up the parts where they're kind of like sprung up a little bit, like with some gel. And like the back, it is growing so much, you guys. It is so long, so the back, of course, is like curling up at the end. But OMG, look, I have waves. Y'all can swim in them waves. Y'all see them? I know y'all see them. Like, come on. Oh, so cute. Like, I definitely look like some old Hollywood star, okay? And like the back, like I said, my hair is growing, and so there's like the ends that kind of want to curl up. But I think it's so cute. Like, look at those waves, you guys. OMG. Alright, now that I'm done giving you guys them angles, it's time for me to wrap this hair up. And I just bought this off of Amazon, you guys. Just a little satin head wrap for women, little headscarf. And you can buy it on Amazon. You can go to Walmart, Sally's, wherever, and find one just like it. But I just got it off of Amazon because, you know, quarantine time. So now, as I'm putting it on, I am just going to make sure that I'm lining up the little stitching on the inside of the scarf with my part in my hair, just so I don't have an indent on any other part of my head besides, like, if it's on that part, you know, who cares? Alright, now that I got that on and looking all cute, I'm just gonna let that stay on for a few hours just so that gel can kind of set in and everything. And as you can see, I am drying the extra gel and water from the back of my neck, and from especially like tying on the headscarf, it kind of like leaked out all that extraness, so I got that up. But yes, I'm gonna let that stay on for a few hours, and then we're gonna check back in and see how my hair is doing and looking. Okay. And voila, here is the finished product. Old Hollywood, hello. I keep saying that because it reminds me of that, like those waves and the curl pattern and the way it's just like slicked to my head. It just reminds me of like old Hollywood. I don't know, but I am in love with it. I think the gel did a super good job. Oh, and there's Bae in the bathroom with me, but it did such a good job at holding down my curl pattern, like especially in the back, or my wave pattern, I should say. Oh, and hold on, actually I need to get a better angle for you guys because he is all up in my space. 1 second. Alright, you guys, so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me slicking down my hair. Thank you for tuning in to BBTV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, you guys, smack that subscribe button, like this video, and go ahead and comment down below. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.